Welcome back to Tech Tools for Educators. Today, we are diving into the best AI tools for students in 2025. These are gamechangers, designed to help students of all ages excel in their studies and beyond. So, grab a notebook and let's explore the tech that's shaping the future of learning. And if you find this information helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more cutting-edge tech tips and educational resources. Google NotebookLM. Google NotebookLM is a powerful AI-driven note-taking tool designed to revolutionize how you interact with your notes. By simply uploading documents like class notes or research papers, NotebookLM can generate smart summaries, facilitate interactive Q&A sessions, and even create podcast-style audio content for convenient learning on the go. This combination of features smart summaries, interactive Q&A, and audio learning makes it an ideal solution for condensing complex information into easily digestible and understandable pieces. NotebookLM doesn't just help you learn, it transforms the way you study. Students love it because it makes absorbing information quick and efficient. Tutor AI. Next up is Tutor AI, your personalized learning coach. This innovative app generates custom 10-module courses on virtually any subject imaginable. Whether you are grappling with calculus or exploring the intricacies of astrophysics, Tutor AI adapts to your individual pace and learning style, ensuring a thorough understanding of the material. As our host puts it, it's like having a tutor in your pocket. You can quiz yourself, simplify tough concepts, and dive deeper into what you are passionate about. The Drive AI. Say goodbye to academic chaos with the Drive AI, our host proclaims. This powerful tool seamlessly organizes your academic life, offering automatic categorization of documents, instant file retrieval, and even Slack-like channels for easy collaboration. Combined with its smart AI editor that streamlines and enhances the writing process, the Drive AI, with features like automatic categorization, collaborative channels, and a smart AI editor, brings order and efficiency to the academic experience. ChatPDF. Struggling to sift through massive textbooks or dense research papers? ChatPDF is the solution. Simply upload any PDF document, pose your questions, and receive instant, accurate answers. With features like quick doubt resolution and support for academic research made easy, ChatPDF is the perfect tool for exam preparation, in-depth research, and clarifying complex concepts. Wolfram Alpha. For STEM students facing complex challenges, Wolfram Alpha is an invaluable resource. This powerful tool excels at solving intricate math problems, tackling physics equations, and even generating insightful data visualizations. With features like advanced problem solving and interactive visualizations, it's like having a genius study partner at your fingertips. As we like to say, whether it's calculus or chemistry, Wolfram Alpha has you covered. Brainly. When academic assistance is needed, Brainly offers a readily available global study group, accessible 24/7. Users can pose questions and receive answers from peers and experts, with AI-powered search and expert moderation ensuring accuracy and quality. This combination of community support and technological enhancement means, as we like to say, Brainly ensures you are never stuck on homework again. Natural Readers. Natural Readers offers a game-changing solution for auditory learners. This tool seamlessly converts text into natural-sounding audio, making it ideal for on-the-go learning. With human-like AI voices and support for multiple formats, Natural Readers is also a valuable resource for students with dyslexia or visual impairments, providing accessible and convenient access to written materials. Otter.ai. Otter.ai is a student's secret weapon for capturing lectures and group meetings. This innovative tool provides real-time transcription, automatically converting spoken audio into searchable text. Forget frantically scribbling notes. Otter.ai lets you focus on the discussion, knowing you can access everything later. Plus, it offers real-time note collaboration and searchable, editable transcripts for easy review, making it a breeze to organize and revisit key points. Smart Sparrow. Smart Sparrow is an innovative, AI-powered platform that creates engaging and adaptive learning environments for students. As one of the best AI apps for students, it provides customizable, interactive courseware that dynamically adjusts to individual learning styles. By combining AI technology with user-friendly design tools, Smart Sparrow empowers educators to easily craft visually rich and interactive lessons. The platform's adaptive learning capabilities ensure that each student receives a personalized educational experience, solidifying its place among the top best AI apps for students this year. Elephas. Finally, we have Elephas, an AI writing assistant designed to elevate your academic work. Boosting features like offline mode, personalized knowledge bases, and multi-AI model support, Elephas is perfectly suited for essays, research papers, and brainstorming sessions. With its smart write capabilities and seamless notes integration, Elephas, as we like to say, ensures you're always ahead of your academic game. And there you have it. Our rundown of the best AI tools poised to transform student learning in 2025. Whether you are conquering challenging coursework, streamlining your academic schedule, or simply seeking a supportive study companion, these innovative tools are here to help. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech tips designed to revolutionize your educational journey. Join us next time on Tech Tools for Educators, and until then, stay curious.